very good morning to everyone. And today's vlog, I want to share with you my new pet. And let me get it. Here he is. So this is my new pet, as you can see. And the name of this pet is a guinea pig. And this is a male, and we call it Brownie. As you can see, his face in this side it's a black, in this side it's a brown. So this is my guinea pig. This is my guinea pig. It's quite big actually, as you can see. So now what I'll do, I just remove him from the cage because I want to feed him, because I just came back from a walk. So now I'm gonna give him lettuce. Let me show you how I feed him. I will put him in a chair. His hair is coming up. As you can see, guys, look, he is eating. Come na, Brownie. Sorry guys, that sounds is from my cockatiel bird. Actually, my cockatiel bird starts singing actually. Cockatiel bird is just like a parrot also, they're the same family. But parrot gets bigger, but these ones, it doesn't grow so much. That is their difference. As you can see also here, as you can see from there, I have also a fish tank with the fishes. One of these days, I will show you also this one. I will show you all pets what we have in the house. And you really get shocked how many pets we have in this small studio. That's all for today, guys. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time I have a new upload. Until then, bye!